Hey there, Dewdrops, it's Diane from CoraVina, and welcome back to video 3 of our Valentine's Day week water marbling silk scarves. Okay, so we have made 2 scarves so far. They're over there drying right now, and we're gonna make a 3rd one. And these have been light and bright. The first one was like a mint green and a lavender with, you know, some pinks and red in there. So really pretty. And then the second one was supposed to look like sprinkles on a cookie. I don't think it really looks like sprinkles on a cookie, but I still like it, I think, so far. It's not dry yet. Okay, this one is for everybody who may not be totally excited that it's Valentine's Day. All right, we're gonna call this one My Dark Valentine. And here's our inspiration here, okay? So we're going deep and dark. So I want to get a lot of paint on my tray to make sure I have a really vibrant scarf, okay? So let me show you what colors we have got. So, lots of black. Going bold here. We're going to have some gray, because there's a lot of gray in that bear. We have got 2 different dark reds that we're going to use. And then this, I think I am going to go ahead and use it. It might be a little bit bright for that bear, or for the heart, but I think it's going to pick up some nice like accents or shine, okay, because there's some highlights in that video there. Okay, so we're going moody, you know, it's what it is. You don't have to like Valentine's Day. Do you know that I've been waiting for, how long have we been doing this? Like, I don't know, almost a year in April. And I have never dropped a bottle into the water until today, just now, that I can remember. All right. So at least we didn't have a tray full of paint, because that would have been really sad. Okay, Dewdrops, so let's make a moody Valentine's Day scarf. Here we go. Let me switch your camera view, and off we go. Okay, so we're going to take that really bright one, I think, and we're going to start with this one, okay? And then I'm not going to add any more in after this. The goal here is that it just shows up in little spots, okay? Ooh, looks like I'm sinking quite a bit. Let's give it a nice shake, shake, shake. So water marbling is the art of floating very thin paints onto the surface of very heavy water. But sometimes your paint is uncooperative. A lot of times, actually, your paint can be very uncooperative. So you gotta learn different ways to make it float. And, you know, that's helping a little bit. Good thing we're not using a lot of this paint. Beginning water marblers can be really bothered. I know I was really bothered when it was just such a process to get everything to float. And, you know, I know people love to say, life's a journey. But I don't like a meandering journey. Like, I want to get to where I'm going, right? So water marbling is definitely a process. And it takes a lot of time to learn what you're doing, and you are all the better for it. I know nobody wants to hear that when they're starting out, but it's true. All right, let's come in here with our black. And I'm really gonna add it on thick here, guys, because we are doing very moody. All right, so what's everybody been doing? What are y'all up to? I'm trying to think about anything exciting. I've been going to the gym, which is exciting for me, I guess. Not for you guys, but I'm proud of myself, you know. All right, so we got nice and dark here. That's good. Let's add in some of our burgundy here. See how this spreads in the tray. I'm a little bit nervous about this color. It could really mess it up for us. But I did test it beforehand, and I think that it was okay. So, all right, I think it's gonna be all right. I did a tester there. Can you guys see that? I like how bold that black ended up being. All right, so we've got, I think we're gonna add in a little bit more of the gray color, because our bear cookie, and you can go to my Pinterest page, the CoraVina Pinterest page, and find out more information on that bear cookie, because the lady that hosted it sells cookie making classes. Can you imagine making something as beautiful as that for somebody to eat? Like, I'd never want to eat it if I spent all that time making that beautiful beer. Okay, feeling dark, looking good. I'm liking it, guys. All right, maybe we'll add in, we'll do a little bit more of that gray. Maybe we'll drop it in some diagonal lines just to give the scarf a little bit of structure, but they're not, the lines aren't spreading that much, so it might not even matter. And I love that it's not spreading that much because it shows me that we've got a lot of paint on our tray and it's gonna look good. All right, Dewdrops, now that I'm to this point, I have really given not a lot of thought into what we're gonna do with our pattern. Okay, so let's just go with it. I'm afraid my computer's gonna die. Hold on tight, guys. All right. I love how that tomato red is popping against the black. I think that's awesome. All right, I know I went super fast. I think we're just gonna bring it down, and I think we're gonna stop after this one. Oh, guys, I like it a lot. Let's dip that scarf. Okay, got our giant scarf dipping rack. Forgot to turn on my camera, my overhead camera, so what a bummer that is. For me, not you. Okay, guys, let's dip this scarf. Here we go. Well, boogers, I touched the side of the tray again. So that is disappointing. It's still going to be beautiful. But one side of it is going to be kind of, it'll be a little bare. Get it? Bare? Different kind of bare. Okay, I do love what we've got going on here. I think that we made a really pretty one. And I am feeling confident in this one. All right, Dewdrops, now that I am covered in paint, let's pull this thing out of the water and see what we've got. I am very excited about this. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at how dark it is. This is going to be pretty. It's definitely kind of a fall. You know, not so much spring. But, wowee, I like this print a lot. All right, let me put it in my rinse bucket real quick. Those colors really pop out nice against that black. I'm so excited. Okay, Dewdrops, so this has been video number 3 of our Water Marbling Valentine's Day Week series. I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, share on this video, whatever platform you're watching it on, because it really helps me out. Also, go to CoraVina.com and find your next new favorite scarf, or make sure to like and follow on whatever platform you are watching. All right, make sure and tell me in the comments what you want to see, because I'm always running out of inspiration and I need your help. Okay, it's Diane from CoraVina. Remember, live colorfully, and wherever you are, whoever you are, whatever you believe, I hope you're doing well. I really do, genuinely. Okay, bye. Remember, live colorfully.